So where's my space? You guys are sleeping on the middle, huh, Jackie? But you know what? People in the world, I don't mind. Because they never upset me in my life. I can only like, why are you guys booing like this? And this, but it's not like that, you know. What you are craving in this world is loyalty with people, that they don't betray you, right, Jack? Yun lang yung wish natin lahat, na may mga kaibigan tayo na nami-maintain nila yung loyalty nila. At dapat mag-uumpisa yan sa atin, hindi yung hinahanap mo sa mga kaibigan mo, pero ikaw, you're disloyal to them also as well. No? So, it shouldn't be like that.